Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video we're going to be talking about how to use the Bees 4x5 reel. I'm going to demonstrate how to use it, why I like it, and why I think you should try this one if you already have one and you're not in love with it. I think this is the best 4x5 reel that you can use. So this one it's not super cheap, but it's very well made. It's 3D printed and I think it'll pretty much last forever unless you smash it or something. But you know, that goes with anything. And yeah, it's pretty much foolproof and I think it's great. So you will need the 1 liter tank or the 3-reel developing Patterson tank. It's compatible with that. All right, so how to use the reel. Of course, you should practice this in the light before you attempt to load this in the dark. Once you understand exactly what you're doing, it becomes way easier and I think it'll be pretty straightforward. Okay, this will have to be done in the dark, of course. I'll be doing it in the light, but in order to illustrate the darkness, we're going to use some video editing, and we will turn out the lights. You're going to take your sheets of film. You will want to make sure that the emulsion is facing you, and you'll know that by the notch code in the upper right. So you want to take that in your right hand and give it like a little bit of fold, like so. Take the reel in your left hand and you're going to use your pinky and you're going to feel this little point. Each slot opening has a point right at the side of it. So you'll use your pinky, place it right on there. And then you're going to use the film to feel your pinky. And once you feel it, you'll know that you're right next to the slot. So kind of poke your pinky and then you can kind of drop in. And you're going to want to use your ring finger on your right hand. And there's going to be another point, which is right here. So each slot has a point on the left and the right. So you'll use your ring finger on this hand to feel that point. And once you feel that, you know you're basically at the boundary of the slot. So you'll know you're right where you need to be. And you'll basically use that as a guide because a lot of times when you're beginning, you'll be on the left side and then you're going into the next slot. But if you feel for that point, you'll know that you're right inside the correct slot. So basically, this is going to be your guide to falling into the correct slot. So once you feel that, you're going to want to give a pretty tight curl on it on the right side. And that's going to help you tuck into the slot. And it's going to fall in when it's about this much curled. So once you have it like that, and you know it's in the slot, you can just push it straight down. Super easy. Grab your next one, and we're going to try to do this a little bit faster. So boom. And if you're curious, like, oh, you know, what if I stop, I get the film sweats and I have to get up or something, and then you come back to it and you think, am I putting these in the right slot or am I putting 2 in the same slot? Easy way to tell, there's a little slot right here. Each slot has a little opening right there, and you can feel that there's already a film right there at the end of it. So it's really easy to not mess up and put a sheet of film in the same spot. So if you do that, you say like, oh, this slot. You go, oh, there's a sheet of film right there. So you move on to the next one. Boom. And so once you have it all loaded up, get the Patterson tank. This goes right on the core. Fits right on there like that. Goes right inside. And once you throw your light trap back on, you can turn your lights back on. You're good to go. And that is the Bees 4x5 reel. So yeah, if you guys have a developing reel and you're not crazy about it, definitely give this one a try. I think it's the best one. Let me know in the comments. Are you guys using the Bees 4x5 reel already? Do you have something else? Are you open to try something new? Let me know. All right, and if you guys found this video to be helpful, please hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you guys next time on The Negative. I'm going to drop the link for where to purchase the Bees 4x5 reel in the description below if you guys are interested in checking it out.